Today we are learning to crochet and make this beautiful little hat keychain. Make a magic ring. And make 6 single crochet in this magic ring. Tight the magic ring and close the round by making a slip stitch in very first chain. Chain 1, and now increase by 1 in each stitch, and we will get in total 12 single stitch. One and 2 single stitch in same space. Like this we complete the row. Let's close the round, slip stitch and chain 1. One single stitch and 2 single stitch in the next. 1 single stitch and 2 single stitch in the next. In total we'll get 18 single stitch. We have 18 single stitch and close the round by making a slip stitch. Now we will crochet 5 single stitch and 2 single stitch in the 6th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will increase in the 6th. We will crochet 5 single stitch and we will increase in the 6th here. I complete this round and we have 21 single stitch in total in this round. We are closing the round by making a slip stitch. Now from here we don't increase, we only repeat the 21 single crochet 3 times. After 3 rounds of 21 single stitch, our item look like this, and now I am closing the round by making a slip stitch and chain 2. Now we are going to crochet double crochet 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. I count this chain as a 1 double crochet and this is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet here, and in the next stitch I will crochet 2 double crochet stitch, 2 double crochet in each stitch throughout the round. One and 2. I will see you here at the end of the round. Now let's close the round by making a slip stitch. I made chain 3 and skip this chain and single stitch in the next chain. 2, 3 chain, skip the first chain and single stitch in next chain. Chain 3, skip the first chain and make single stitch next chain. After finishing the lace, our hat look like this. This is already beautiful. Let's make it more beautiful by adding some flower and leaf. Make a slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and insert the hook in the very first chain and pull the yarn and hold the yarn. Yarn over again and insert the hook in the first chain one more time and pull through all of the loops and chain 2 and slip stitch in the very first chain. This is our one petal is ready. Chain 2 again, yarn over, insert the hook in the same chain, yarn over again, insert the hook in the first chain and pull through all the loop and chain 2 and slip stitch in the same chain. Make more 3 petals and in total we will have 5 petals. Our cute little flower is ready. Cut the yarn, leave a little long yarn. We need this later to add the ball. To make the leaf, grab the green yarn and make one slip knot and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip the very first chain and make one single crochet in the second chain. Then make half double crochet. Two half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet and one single stitch in the very first chain. Chain 1. In the same space make one single crochet again and half double crochet directly in this space in the next side of the leaf and single crochet in very first chain. Make one slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn and hide this extra yarn by using the needles. Now tie the knot. And cut the yarn. Our beautiful flower is ready. Let's add white border in this area around this part. Insert the hook and bring the yarn from the back side of the hat and make border like this. Complete the round. Now attach this cute little flower and this leaf using the needle. And final look is here. This is very beautiful and yet easy to make. I hope you like my video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.